Hi, this is Jeff, and I'm doing activity 8.4, installing the print services role on server core. Our objective is configure server core as a print server. Okay, our description. Your manager has decided that along with using server core as an RODC and the file server, pitch deployment will support printers for Windows and Unix clients. In this activity, you deploy print services in the LPD print service role with the server core. So first, log into the server core, which I have already done. Now, start by typing start // WOC setup printing -server core -role. This might take a second. When this package manager message box opens requesting a restart, click yes. No, wait. Click no. And then let's type in start WOC setup printing LPD print service and then press enter. This will take a second. This time we're going to click yes. Okay, now you log back onto the server as soon as this is done. Now has to configure the updates. This might take a second. Now I have to log back on to server core. Okay, now we're back here. We're going to type in OC list. And it shows the, let's see, right here. Right here it shows the server core package. We have to find, we have to find the print. Install printing. Yep, there it is. Okay, and then that concludes this video. Okay, thank you.